Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm getting ready to go into Walmart and do some retail arbitrage, which you haven't seen me to do in a long time. And so let's see what we find. Dinosaurs. This will be a really good sell. Disney princess style. This looks like scratched and dent from Bulq. Oh, it totally picked up the picture and already scanned this thing. Don't lose your cool. No sales rank on the Don't Lose Your Cool game. So I'm gonna scan the barcode of this thing and then I'll go back to the Don't Lose Your Cool. Hey, it's on there. No sales rank though. It's so cute. All right, let's see, $7 on this. Let's scan away. Okay, this one is actually on there. $7, but it doesn't look like I can make. They're only going for $4.97 online. So this is a no-go. Let's try Barbies. There's some Barbies here. Let's scan some more. $6.50. Yeah, no room in that one because $7.94. $6.50 is what I'd have to buy it for. I would only Amazon fulfilled make $3.47, so I'd lose money on that one. So let's try this Black Panther guy. Then we're gonna wander down to some other stuff. Black Panther, $8 is what I'd have to pay. Amazon fulfills $7.22, so basically I'd break even, lose money a little bit. So let's go on down and let's see if we can't find some other things. These are all a lot cheaper on this side of the aisle. So let's just try some Sharpie school supplies. $5.29, they're $3. Never been sent, okay. Anytime you see this on the Amazon seller app where there's dashes, it means it's never been sent in to FBA. Okay, so there's 10 FBA sellers, but I don't know why it's not giving me fees. Never sold on FBA, thank you. Never sold on FBA. All right, so those aren't worth it. Some stickers. These are only $1.
Which one are you scanning?
The Black Panther one.
Show the front.
Those aren't showing up, so let me try Shopkins. There's Shopkins stickers. Okay, that is on there. It's got a 2 million sales rank. It requires approval. I usually am restricted in Shopkins, so, but if I could sell it, that would be a good one because they're going for $5.91. Amazon fulfill $2.61. I would only pay $1, so I'd make $1.61 every time I sold one. So let's try a different brand. I know Shopkins I'm restricted in. Nickelodeon Sunny Day, those aren't on there. Turtles, these are only 75 cents for Teenage Mutant Ninja. Ooh, they're on there. Licky, licky. Okay, $6.35, one pack of stickers. I'd pay 75 cents. And so if I put cost of purchase 75 cents, I would actually make $2.24.
What's the sales rank?
Sales rank is 2 million, I believe. No, 1 million. Well, almost 2 million. I'm still gonna get them because they're only 75 cents. All right, found a Batman for the same price as the Ninja Turtles. So we're gonna check that. Those aren't even on there. So I'm gonna actually,
the picture.
yeah, do the picture and see if it doesn't pop up. Batman Sticker Land is what it's called. No, it's not coming up. So we're just gonna, look at this one. Fresh beer here. All right, Star Wars, 111 stickers. Let's try that. Now I'm just looking at these because they're gonna be low cost. I'm not gonna have to spend a lot for these. Ooh, these are on here, 50 cents a piece. I'm gonna, they're selling for $5.95 after fees, $2.65, take my 50 cents off. I'm gonna make basically $2.10. So we're definitely buying these Star Wars stickers. Oh, sales rank. They're high in toys, but they're stickers that I only have to pay 50 cents for. So I'm willing to take the gamble on buying all of these simply because they're so inexpensive. So I'm gonna buy these Star Wars ones. Throw those in the cart. And then let's kind of, I'm going to jump down the aisle and just kind of give you a view of what we got going on and what I would be willing to scan. So this bling bling ponytail hair mask, this would be something I'd be interested in, although it could be hazmated. Any of this kind of stuff. Makeup always is really good, but it could be hazmated. This is much more expensive than what I pay from via trading. So this is $4 an item and I pay right around $1.50 or so. Colgate, perfumes, and nail polish are always hazmated. Now these are kind of, what is this? It's a gas relief, but look at the picture, it's hysterical.
It's a gas relief for babies?
Yes, I just think the picture is so funny. It's called Windy, the gas passer.
Nice. Scan it?
Yes, I'm gonna scan it and see if it's worth it.
Okay,
$1 million, $1 million. No, it's not on there. Let me do the picture and see if it shows up. It does. Okay, here's a pack of 2, 20 count gas relief. It requires approval, but if I can get approval, I can sell both of them, which are gonna cost me $3 a piece, so $6. So I'm gonna put $6 in here. I will actually make $17.99 selling gas relief for babies. So I'm gonna see if I can.
What's the sales rank?
In baby for $4,400. It's gonna sell as soon as it gets there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna check and see if I can get approval to sell this. So that's the big if on this one. So there's some more stuff here. Happy Tummy. And that was one that I scanned the barcode and it didn't show up, but when I scanned the picture, it popped up. Okay. This one, ooh, that's on there too. So this one is a 600,000. Okay, let's see what this says. This product is currently not eligible because it's a hazmat. So it must have something in it that they don't want at the warehouse. So I can't even send this into the warehouse. So what I'm gonna do is go back and see Merch Fulfill if it's even worth it. I can make $15.29 if I sell at Merchant Fulfill. Let's see if there's any FBA sellers. There's no FBA sellers and there's only 3 other Merch Fulfillers. So if I do that, then I can sell it myself and just ship it myself, Merch Fulfill, and they're only $3.50. So I think that's totally worth it to do. So I'm gonna grab these too. And I'll Merchant Fulfill these because they don't want them at the warehouse, but I can sell them out of my own space. So let's put them in the cart. All right, nope, put that one in there too. Grab my cart, sorry. All right. Okay, I'm not gonna scan Shopkins. I'm always restricted in Shopkins. A lot of graduation stuff, but these are kind of generic. They don't have a year on them, so they may be something that
Might go great on Poshmark.
Yes, they would. Yeah. So I'm gonna scan them just to see if they can go on Amazon, but the likelihood is it's a seasonal, so yeah, it's not even on there. But this would be something that I'm gonna consider maybe putting on Poshmark, but it's $7.50, so that's kind of high for that kind of stuff. And this is all, look at this. It's an Eiffel Tower. So obviously makes sense that this is all on clearance right now. So, and then I'm gonna continue to keep scanning some stuff, and then I'm gonna show you our haul, see what we come up with. You know your future is bright when you get one of these.
It's a pile of poop.
It's a pile of poop. It says poop in circumstance.
Congratulations, graduates. Now you're in a pile of poop.
Yep, and these are cool because both of these, they don't have years on them. So you can sell them anytime. So it's awesome. All right, we got everything that we wanted to buy. And so I'm gonna show you some of the things that we found at Walmart that are gonna be really, really awesome for reselling online. All right, so this is my haul from Walmart. The majority of these items came directly from my clearance aisle, but I wandered around the rest of the store, found some other things. And so you wanna know what 150 bucks looks like? This is what it is. So let me show you exactly what I got. So I found these in the youth department, the boys section. These are youth size hats. They were $3 a piece. Every item I show you, I'm going to give you the price. I expect to double my money plus some. So these I know specifically, I'm going to make my $3 back plus an additional 3 to 5, depending on how much I can charge for each one. Same thing with these hats. This is a Superman hat and a Batman hat. And then I am ungated in automotive, which I'm super glad that I did because these filters I paid $5 for, and I know that they're selling online for about $20. So after fees and stuff, I should make about $12, take my $5 off. So I'm about $8 to $9 on profit on these, all 4 of these. Then this one, kind of the same thing, but this one was only $3.50. So even more profit on that. This one was $3.50 as well, and this one I think I was going to make about, after fees, $9 a piece, so I was going to make around $4 or $5 after I pay my $3.50 back. This as well, $3.50, about the same price margins there. This I bought because it was in the clearance aisle. I thought it was really cute, and this is going to go on my new Poshmark, not my new Poshmark store, but the new home category in Poshmark. So when life gives you lemons. So I'm going to take a good photo of that and sell that on Poshmark. I'm super excited about those to see how well they do. Then I've got these Star Wars stickers, 50 cents a piece. I'm able to make about $1.50 on these. Then these were 75 cents a piece. I'm making about $2 on this. This I thought was hysterical. You've already seen, but I'm going to put it in a 2-pack and it's going to be sold like that. $6 invested. I'm going to make about 10 or 11 after I pay my 6 back. These, I normally would not have picked those up because back in the day I was only a Amazon FBA seller, and if it was merchant fulfill, I didn't want to hassle with it. But now that I do Poshmark and I do a lot of shipping on my own and I'm kind of set up to ship in my new space, I bought these because these are merchant fulfill. They're restricted for the warehouse due to hazmat reasons. And so that's something that I have definitely changed. And then here's some clothing options. These are just PJ shorts. And the one thing I want to tell you about clothing is you must scan each individual barcode per the size. So these are all extra large. They're all going to have the same listing. But if it was a large or a small, it may not be on there, or the price might be different. So just be aware of that. So I've got all of those. These I paid, let me find the tag. I think they were $3 a piece. Hold on. Here they are. Yeah, $3 a piece on these. And I know I was going to make about $5 after I pay my $3 back. So about $8, and then I pay my $3 back. Same thing with these. These were $3 a piece. I'm going to do really well on these. And then for these little purple shorts as well. And these are going to sell really well because they're also a plus size. All of the sales ranks on the clothes were around the 500,000 or less. It used to be that the Amazon seller app didn't show clothing sales ranks, and sometimes it still doesn't, but some of the really good sales, it does put a sales rank on it. So this is what I got from Walmart. I'm really excited about my retail arbitrage haul. I haven't done it in a while, and it makes me want to do it more. So hopefully it's been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.